Chapter 3. More about MS Word 2016. This chapter covers find and replace the text, search with the Office Help button, insert hyperlinks, apply drop cap, apply column formatting, set line spacing, set paragraph spacing, set page orientation, set page margin, merge the mail. Introduction. Microsoft Word 2016 is known as an application software and a part of MS Office package. It is called a full-featured word processing program that permits you to create documents such as brochures, letters, reports, newsletters, and web pages. You have already studied regarding different formatting and editing commands arranged in various groups under every tab on the ribbon. Let us have a glance at the Home tab, Insert tab, and Layout tab. To find and replace text. Several times you may require to find some specific text in a big document. Sometimes you may need to replace a specific text with some other text. Our friendly MS Word has a good solution for us through find and replace commands. Finding text. To find text, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click the Home tab. Step 2. Click Find from Edition group. The Find and Replace dialog box comes up. Step 3. In the Find What box, write the text you desire to search for. Step 4. Click More button to get more search options that will assist you refine your search. Step 5. Click Find Next to find further occurrences. Press Escape to stop searching. Replacing text. To replace text with some alternative text, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click the Home tab. Step 2. Click Replace from Editing group. The Find and Replace dialog box comes up. Step 3. In the Find What box, write the text you want to search for. Step 4. In the Replace With box, write the text you desire to be replaced with. Step 5. Click More button to get more search options. Step 6. Select the needed search options to filter your search and also select direction of search. Close the dialog box when you have completed your work. Step 7. Click Replace to replace the present word. If you use the Replace All option, it will replace all the occurrences of the word class with grade. Now, you see that the word class is replaced with the word grade. To search with the Microsoft Office Help button. If you could not find how to use any word feature, you can simply click the Microsoft Office Help button at the right corner on the ribbon. The Word Help window comes up. Write your query in the Help search box and click Search button. You see several search results for your result. Every entry is a link to further information. For instance, if you type Clip Art in the Help search box, you see some search results as shown in the picture. You may close the Help window by clicking the Close button. To insert hyperlinks in a document. If you have listened about hyperlink in your previous class, hyperlinks assist you to move instantly from one page to another page by just clicking a link. The links can be in the form of text or picture. The mouse usually takes the shape of a hand over a hyperlink. The target may be a web page, a picture, or another file. Facts to learn. We see Microsoft Office Help button on the ribbon of all Microsoft applications. To insert a hyperlink, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Select the text on which hyperlink needs to be inserted. Step 2. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click Link from Links group. Step 4. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box comes up with many options through which you can create a link. For instance, if you click the option Web Page and Existing File, a list comes up. Step 5. Write the address of the website in the address box or click any existing file from the list to create a link to that file. Here the website address www.xyz.com is typed. Step 6. Click the OK button. This inserts a hyperlink in your document. To use the hyperlink. Hyperlink assists you to move instantly from the present document to linked page. This process of moving from one document to a web page or from one document to the other is known as following the link. Point your mouse to the hyperlink text. You see a message. Ctrl plus click to follow link. Press Ctrl key and click on the link. The web page or hyperlinked document will be opened. Facts to learn. You can also insert a picture and create a hyperlink on the picture with the help of same process. To apply drop cap. Have you ever noticed a big capital letter at the starting of a paragraph in a newspaper or magazine? Drop cap is a feature in MS Word which lets you create a big dropped initial capital letter. To create a drop cap letter, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click in the paragraph that you desire to start with a drop cap letter. Step 2. Click Insert tab. Step 3. Click Drop cap from text group and select the option from the list. See the result on your paragraph. Facts to learn. Thesaurus is a research characteristics in MS Word used to search synonyms, that is, various words with the same meaning, and antonyms, words with the opposite meaning of the chosen. To apply column formatting. You might have noticed that a newspaper has columns. You can use column formatting to your text in MS Word also. To use column formatting, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Choose the text you desire to format in columns. Step 2. Click the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click Columns from Page Setup group. Step 4. Select the number of columns you desire from the list that opens up. For instance, 2. The chosen text gets divided in the specified number of columns. To set line spacing. Line spacing signifies to the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. To set line spacing, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Select the paragraph for which you desire to set the line spacing. Step 2. Click the Home tab. Step 3. Click Line Spacing from Paragraph group and select the needed number of spacing from the list to adjust the space between lines. To set paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing signifies to the amount of space below or above a paragraph. To set paragraph spacing, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click anywhere in the paragraph to set spacing after or before it. Step 2. Click Layout tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click the arrow next to spacing before or spacing after from paragraph group to increase or decrease the amount of space you desire. To set page orientation. Orientation signifies the layout position of the paper for printing. There are two methods to set orientation of a page in a MS Word document: landscape and portrait. To set page orientation, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Orientation from the Page Setup group and select the type of orientation as landscape or portrait. Facts to learn. You can set the size of paper before printing by clicking Size from Page Setup group in the Page Layout tab and then selecting the needed size of paper. To set page margin. Page margin signifies to the blank space around the edges of the page. This space, seen on all the four sides of the page, is known as top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. All the texts and images are inserted inside the margin. To set margins, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click Layout tab. Step 2. Click Margins from Page Setup Group. Step 3. Select the margin type and click on it to use it to your page. Facts to learn. On the View tab, select the ruler box. To hide rulers, click the ruler box. The horizontal ruler displays its print layout and draft views. Merging the mail. Imagine that you desire to give a party to your relatives and friends. You have typed the invitation letter. Now, you have to write all the addresses of your relatives and friends. Writing all the names and addresses and then creating the documents and saving them is a tiring job. This work is done very easily in MS Word applying the Mail Merge feature. By using Mail Merge feature, you can send the same letter to a number of people. The Mail Merge process needs the following. Main document. The document that has text or letter which is to be dispatched is known as the main document. Data source. The file where all the addresses of the recipients are kept is known as data source. The process of combining the main document with the data source is known as merging. The final document is said to be the merged document. In general, the mail merge process covers the following 3 steps. To create main document, to create data source, to merge main document and data source. To mail merge, follow the given steps below. Step 1. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Start Mail Merge from the Start Mail Merge group and select letters from the selections available. Step 3. Type the letter you want to dispatch. Step 4. Click Select Recipients and select Type New List option from the selections available. The New Address List dialog box comes up. Step 5. Fill in the different fields with suitable information. You can also have a blank field. Step 6. To create another entry, click the New Entry button. You can arrange the records according to your need by clicking the suitable column heading. For instance, click First Name field to arrange according to names. Step 7. After finishing the form, click OK button. The Save Address List dialog box comes up. Step 8. Give an appropriate name to the list and click Save button. Step 9. Now put the cursor in the main document where you desire the fields to be inserted. Step 10. Click Insert Merge field from Write and Insert Fields group and choose the needed field. Again, put the cursor at next place for next field and insert the field in the same way. You may also click Highlight Merge Fields to easily recognize which part of the document will be replaced by the information from the recipient's list. Step 11. Click Finish and Merge from Finish group to complete the mail merge process. Step 12. Select Edit Individual Documents. You get a dialog box. Step 13. Select All option and click OK. The merged letters will be opened for further editing in MS Word window. Summary. You make professional documents by inserting pictures, tables, shading and borders, merged documents, word art, etc. in MS Word. Hyperlinks assist you to move instantly from one document or page to another by simply clicking on a link. Line spacing signifies the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. Paragraph spacing signifies the amount of space below or above paragraph. The two main components needed during a mail merge process is the main document and the data source. To follow a link, press Ctrl key and click